इट्स अरेंज मैरिज सेटअप, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम हमने ओवर द कॉल बात करी थी और उस टाइम काफ़ी मेरा शेड्यूल बहुत ही हेक्टिक होता था बिकॉज मेरा कुछ ऐसा वर्क वाइज ऐसा चल रहा था। बट फर्स्ट कॉल पे ही इन्होंने बहुत पेशेंस दिखाया। तो पहले पहले टॉक से ही मुझे लगा कि हाँ, ही इज़ द पर्सन, ही कैन बी द पर्सन। ऐसा फर्स्ट टाइम पे नहीं था श्योरिटी, फर्स्ट कॉल पे कैसे ही हो सकता है। फिर आई गेस इट वाज 14th ऑफ मई जब हमने कॉल पे बात करनी शुरू करी थी। पहले एक हफ्ते हमने चैट करा था बिकॉज आई वॉज टू शाई टू टॉक ओवर द कॉल। और फिर 6 महीने में काफ़ी हमारा रिलेशन ग्रो हुआ, इनकी फैमिली के साथ भी, इनके साथ भी। और बाकी आप बताओ अपने साइड का स्टोरी।
14th of May was the date when we started conversation, discussing over call, over messages and all. And I remember feeling excited and the nervousness at the same time. But the best thing we did is we took some time to come into comfort zone, and that was the best thing we did. And when we were into comfort zone, we started growing our relationship, and we started discussing everything, including our day-to-day life, families, responsibilities, future things. सब हमने डिस्कस किया. Now we are here on 11th of December. We are getting married. And I remember when I was preparing for my marriage, buying clothes, buying accessories, buying things. It was so difficult to manage along with the work, but we did. And this 6 months has passed so quickly, I cannot explain. And today we are married. Very secret, no one knows about it. We are telling this for the first time. We met on 14th of May, right?
No, it was August.
Okay. 15th of August, right?
Yeah, 15th it was.
15th of August, and it was Bhopal. She went on for her trainings, and I just went on there to meet her. That was the first time we met, and no one knows about it.
Till now, no one knows. We met on 15th of August, Independence Day. And since we were talking since May, so we were quite comfortable. But we were not supposed to tell anyone because it's an arranged marriage. और घर वाले अलाउ नहीं करते. वैसे हमने पूछा भी नहीं था घर पे किसी से. And since we were comfortable, I was supposed to go on a training in Bhopal. And I casually told him कि मेरी ट्रेनिंग है 16, 17, 18 ऐसा 3 दिन का ट्रेनिंग था. और लकीली वो वीकेंड ऐसा था, लॉन्ग वीकेंड हो रहा था वो 15 to 18. तो सैटरडे संडे ऑफ में ही ऑल्सो प्लान की ठीक है वी कैन मीट द. फिर भोपाल में हम मिले. सो व्हेन आई फर्स्ट मेट हिम, अर्लियर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि मिलने पे कैसा लगेगा मुझे, थोड़ा सा डर लगेगा या कुछ ऐसा होगा. बट व्हेन आई मेट हिम, I don't know how, but I felt very comfortable, as if I know this person since long, not from the last 2-3 months, but since years I know this person. Maybe हमने इतने ज़्यादा बातें कर ली थी इसी वजह से या जो भी था. काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फील हुआ. ऐसा नहीं था कि आई एम मीटिंग अ स्ट्रेंजर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. और दैट वाज द टाइम आई फेल्ट दैट I'm with the right person.
So while we planned to meet in Bhopal, I was not very sure how will she react, how will she behave. But but she met and we were pretty comfortable in meeting each other. And slowly we came into such a comfortable zone in which we argued also. We on certain things we discussed a lot of things, but it was quite pleasant meeting that.
There are challenges to face in this relation, and there will be some challenges. So in this 6 months period, 6-7 month period, what I faced was his temper issues. I do have that. So what I never faced a person who was so similar to me in temper. Usually when I have temper issues, the other person calms down me, but in his case he also gets angry. So between us, whenever we have any kind of argument, it's me who is pleading and I'm the one who is consoling. Okay, fine, we'll sort this out. So this is the challenge I'm facing. एक चीज है वो ये कि मैं जो भी बोलती हूँ he pays attention to it. और इस बात का मुझे पता तब चला जब मतलब मैं बहुत जो भी छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स मैं देती हूँ वो याद रहता है इनको. लाइक मेरी ब्रांच में कितने प्रिंटर हैं ये भी पता है. तो ये जब इन्होंने मुझे बताया कि अच्छा वो वाला प्रिंटर नहीं चल रहा था क्या आज, देन आई थॉट कि अच्छा मेरी बातें सुनी जा रही हैं. एंड आई फेल्ट रियली नाइस दैट यू आर पेइंग अटेंशन.